Hello everybody, this is KD2ESY. This tutorial will teach you how to manually program repeaters into your Quansheng UV K5 radio. At any time, if you want to stop and review a slide, by all means pause your video and go back. This tutorial will guide you through manual programming procedures step by step. This tutorial is not meant to teach you all the functions of this radio. It will teach you how to switch back and forth between frequency and channel mode, into the frequency of a repeater, scroll through the programming menu, change and confirm new settings in the menu, and lock in the new repeater into a channel. And on the right side is a menu of the symbols and meanings, which you will see as we go along. You can get repeater directories, as seen in Figure 1, via internet searches. Look at the hyperlink at the bottom of the page if you want to use that. You can also get this information from local radio clubs or friends you know that are active ham radio operators. For example, some of the information you need to program your radio are listed in Figure 1 to the left. To begin the programming process, turn the radio on. If the radio boots up by stating channel mode, simply press F, then 3 in Figures 2 and 3 to switch to frequency mode. The radio will state frequency mode. Enter the frequency you desire, for example 438.475 if you live in Brooklyn, New York, according to the chart on page 3. It will automatically be entered as 438.475 with the decimal place. Press M, as seen in Figure 4, to enter the menu. Scroll to the top of the menu with the up-down arrows to find SQL or squelch. Figure 5. Press M again, the radio will say squelch. Use the up and down arrow keys, as in Figure 6, and enter 2 for starters. Press M to confirm. When you're scrolling through the menu, sometimes it takes a little bit of time before you figure out what to do. The radio will automatically back out of its current function at 8 seconds. Press M again to get back into the menu functions. Scroll to step, Figure 7, frequency step. Press M, use the up and down arrows, as in Figure 8, to change the kilohertz step to where you want it. It can also be changed manually when you're on the go. Press M to confirm the step you want. Next, you'll be adjusting the transmit power. Scroll down the same menu. You will see TXP, power settings, as in Figure 9. Press M. Adjust to low, medium, or high with the up and down arrows, as in Figure 10. Press M to confirm. Next, you want to adjust the offset frequency. Scroll down to T, CTCS, or CTCSS it's called in Figure 11, to the offset frequency for the repeater you're programming. Press M. Scroll through the list of frequencies with the up-down arrows. Press M to confirm. Next, adjust the offset frequency. Scroll down to Offset, Figure 15. Press M to adjust the offset frequency for the band you're programming for. Enter 60000 for 2 meters or 5,000 for 70 centimeters, as in Figures 15 and 16. The balance of the zeros will autofill. Press M to confirm. Next, program frequency into a memory channel. Press M and scroll down to MEM-CH, or memory channel, Figure 17. Press M again. Scroll through the channels using the up-down arrows to find one that is not already being used. One that does not have a CH in front of the number, as in Figure 18. When you find an open channel, press M twice to confirm. Next, you simply exit out of the programming mode. Press F, then 3 to go back to channel mode. Good luck programming and enjoy your radio. 7-3.